just me in these. But this time, it's for me and Cora. Yeah. Totally. Interrupting orange!
You were gone, and I wanted to get started, so I went through all your drawers to find everything. I hope that's okay.
Hey Cora, wanna make this X-rated?
Tell me your secrets, Mr. Frog.
Wait, no, say it now.
Okay. Happy birthday, Kayla!
Do it again, but slower. Do you wanna be a star?
Baking is chemistry? That's like a science. I was making cookies, and I read teaspoon of salt, but I thought it said tablespoon of salt. So those turned out to be pretty salty cookies.
Yes, this is the exact right card I need to get you.
This will be inside you.
I don't see you helping. My shirt says let it snow, but it's June. It's ironic. Go back to Kenya. Tricycle man, tricycle man.
He's riding in a reverse tricycle.
Scrub, scrub, scrub. I didn't want. Are you looking at my butt?
No.
Hey, shirtless brother, wish my friend a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, friend.
Strip! Strip for me, Cora.